I will demonstrate 2 techniques for accomplishing this. Follow these steps to get started. Slide down on your phone for the notification panel and turn on your mobile hotspots. I have mine turned on. So on my PC, I'll connect to my mobile hotspots. So turn on your Wi-Fi and then make sure you select your mobile hotspots. You can do this without internet connection. So now let's start with the first method. Step 1. Download the Wi-Fi-FTP server app from Play Store on your phone, or check the link in the description below. Now once downloaded, open the app, allow the necessary permission, and then hit on the start button. Pay attention as it generates a unique URL we'll be using soon. Step 2. Open File Explorer. Click in the address bar and type in the server URL specified in the app. And hit enter. As you can see, this is my mobile phone storage. If you are wondering how to access your SD card, let me show you how. First, stop the FTP server app on your phone, hit the stop button here, and then go to settings, look for root folder. It's currently on my internal memory. Tap on this menu and then select SD card, then tap on use this folder. So let me go back here, then start the FTP server again. On your PC, all you need to do is refresh the page. So let me refresh mine, show more options, and then select refresh. As you can see here, I now have my Anon SD card here. This is to prove we are on the SD card storage right now. If you plan to perform this process over a public network, make sure you disable anonymous access and customize the default username and password according to your preference. This is what I mean by that. You go to your settings and then you disable this anonymous access. Turn it off and then choose a username from the user ID here. Mine is set to Android. You can change it to whatever you want. YouTube. And then password. Change it to YouTube. Then go back. Remember that anytime you make a change, you need to stop the server and then start it again to apply the changes. So as I've applied the change, when I go on my PC here and refresh the page, you can see it's asking for a username and password. Let me type mine. YouTube. Log on. If you set the username and password and you still have the anonymous access on, anyone at all in the public network can get access to your files. And that is why you need to turn it off if you know you are using a public network. Now let's move on to the second method. Download the Sweech app from Play Store or check the link in the description below. Open the Sweech app and just tap on the play button. As you see here, it also generated the URL for us. Now go to your PC and open any browser and enter the URL specified on the Sweech app. If you are using a Brave browser, you just need to start with the IP address and then the port number, as I'm doing, colon and then the port number 444. But if you are using a different browser and you type in this address and it doesn't work, it means you have to start with the HTTP colon / Hope you got it. Okay. So I have my files here. This is the internal storage. Now in here, if you want to download anything to your phone, this is how you select files here. You select files from here, this side. This is how you select files here. And when you hit on this download icon, this will download the files to your download folder. You can drag and drop files from your PC to this browser. Now let me uncheck this. Let's say your SD card is not showing here. What you need to do is on your Sweech app, tap on this settings here and then tap on enable SD card write access. Okay. If yours is not displaying SD card here, you need to tap on this menu here. Then you select SD card and then just tap on use this folder. You go back. Remember to stop the service and start it again in order to apply any changes you make. then you refresh over here. Over here it's reload, so you just reload the browser, then your changes will take effect. Now there is one more thing I want to show you here. This clipboard here, if you select clipboard, anything you type here will sync to the clipboard on your phone. Let's say I type YouTube here and then click here. This is added to my clipboard. So on my phone, if I should open any app, and then here I just want to use the clipboard, you can see over here displaying whatever I type in the clipboard. Let me change it here in real time. Facebook, and then click here to make the changes. As you can see, it appeared on my phone here. So when I tap it, it will just show here. So you can use the clipboard here for pasting of links and other stuff.